Margate comes into view, and for once it's nothing to do with a view of the sea, but rather an inland view. For the Kent seaside resort, though officially on the fringe of television service area, can now have television by relay. And for a weekly fee, the people of Margate can have the BBC television service piped into their homes by a commercial organisation. The first receivers were delivered last week. They are so constructed that they would be of no use to an ordinary viewer. And apart from paying the cost of the service, the subscriber must also pay the normal licence fee of £2 a year. For the sets will carry 4 programmes: the home service, the light programme, a selected foreign station, and of course, television. On a strategic height overlooking the town, a 65-foot high aerial has been put up, which, so it is claimed, will provide interference-free reception. The television picture and sound are taken by cables to central points for monitoring, amplification and distribution. Already wired for sound programme relay, which is received here by direct landline, Margate now has television relay in a similar way. Cables can now take the place of aerials in that part of Margate already wired for television. And the magic box that finally piped it into the home is a little kiosk near the town centre. Here the vision signal is corrected and amplified, and it's from this point that the distribution to each subscriber begins. One of the feeder cables from here brought the signals last week to a Margate showroom, where the television relay service was officially opened.